This is the global account name, and this is what about your sub-account names, dev sub-account name, test sub-account name, prod sub-account name. Previously, we mentioned like sub-account A, sub-account B, sub-account C. Whereas in real time, we used to mention like this: dev sub-account, test sub-account, prod sub-account. I will give an example for this. Okay, so this is 2G, right? 2G. This is 2G. Open in real time. In real time, how we used to create the sub-accounts, you will get more clarity now. Okay, so here we have a services, right? In Discovery Center, we have a services. Example, we have a service called HANA Cloud service. For this HANA Cloud service, we used to create the sub-accounts like Dev HANA Cloud is one sub-account. Dev HANA Cloud is one sub-account. This is what the landscape. This is how you are going to be structure your project in your real time. Test HANA Cloud is one more sub-account. Prod HANA Cloud is another sub-account. So you are going to be add the HANA Cloud service from your global account to your Dev HANA Cloud sub-account, and from your global account to your test HANA Cloud sub-account, from your global account to your prod HANA Cloud sub-account. You are going to be add this service, HANA Cloud service. You are going to be add, and you know very well, these sub-accounts are assigned to any of cloud provider and region, right? Example, all these are assigned to AWS US East region, and you added the HANA Cloud service to all these sub-accounts, and now you are going to be deploy them. Now you are going to deploy your HANA Cloud service or creating your HANA Cloud service. For this HANA Cloud service, who is providing the resources? This AWS cloud provider, US East region, is providing the resources. That means your dev sub-account is created or assigned to this cloud provider of US East region. Whatever the services you added and you deployed, and these services are deployed under the AWS cloud provider of US East region data center. The same way here itself as well. Deploying or creating, and the resources provided for this service is AWS US East. Here also the same. Understood, guys? One more example. So we have one more service called integration suite. Integration suite. This is your integration suite. So for this, again, you are going to be create 3 sub-accounts. You are going to be create a landscape. Dev integration suite. And this is assigned to any of the cloud provider. Assume that it is assigned to Azure Singapore. Creating like this. Test integration suite. And also prod integration suite. So for each service, you can create the landscape like this. However, you are going to be create in on-premises for your database. You have a dev HANA database, dev test HANA database, and prod HANA database. Again, dev SAP application server, test up SAP application server, and prod SAP application server. In the same way, you are going to be create here itself as well. Okay, and now what you are doing after creating the sub-accounts, you are going to be add integration suite service to this sub-account, integration suite service to this sub-account, integration to suite service to this sub-account, and you are going to be deploy them, or you are going to be create them. Whenever you deploy or create, so who is providing the resources for this service? Azure cloud provider, Singapore region. Azure cloud provider, Singapore region. Azure cloud provider, Singapore region. Got it, guys? Understood?
Yeah, yes, sir.
In the same way, again, if you are going to be create one more service, again, example like dev DRC, document reporting and compliance. This is one of the service we have. If you search in Discovery Center, you can see that document reporting and compliance. Where is it? Yeah, it is not there. Okay, we'll go with one more. Build work zone. So we have a build work zone here. Build work zone. So for that, again, you can create a build work zone. Test build work zone and prod build work zone. So while creating your sub account, you have to select the cloud provider and the region. Prod build work zone. So you have to select cloud provider and the region. So here you have an option to create this is your global account, right? This is your global account. You are under global account. And here you have an option to create a sub account. Create sub account. Example, dev -build work zone. Select region Amazon US East, AWS cloud provider, US East. So here we are able to see only two cloud providers. One is AWS, another one is Azure. And for AWS, it's showing only one region, US East, and for Azure also, it's showing only one region called Singapore. But in real time, whenever you have an enterprise account, you used to find number of regions for AWS and number of regions for your Azure. But this is a trial BTP account, right? So they have given only one region for each cloud provider. So I'm selecting US East, and this is your subaccount name, and you got a subdomain here. You will come to know what is subdomain. Okay, you have subaccount name plus some random name as a domain name. Okay, and parent is your global account. Create. So now you can see Dev Build Work Zone is a subaccount which is created under global account, Mahesh Learning Academy, and this subaccount is assigned to a region called US East of AWS. So like this, we used to create the sub accounts, but your global account is not assigned to any region of a cloud provider. That's very important. In interview, they may ask you this. Okay, so this is about account model A.